Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Netbeans to a MySQL database. So for this, first of all you need a MySQL connector. So go to your browser and type mysql.com. So after that go to download section and click on community. Then scroll down and click on MySQL connectors. Then as we are doing it for Java, so we'll download connector J, and this is platform independent. So click on the download button for the zip file and just click on no thanks, just start my download, you need not log in. So here our file get downloaded. So now I should go to the Netbeans, and first we should add the connector. For that, first I'll create a new project and say I just named it connection demo. So this is our connection demo, and first we need to add the connector. So go to libraries, right click and click on add jar/folders and specify the path and click on the connector which you download. So your connector has been successfully added here. Now I'll just come to the coding part where we have to write the code for connecting it to the MySQL server. I'll just delete all these comments. Okay, so first of all I'll write the code and I'll explain you later that what I'm doing in the code exactly. So, and you can just skip the video, you can just fast forward the video because anyhow I'll be typing, so you did not waste your time. So for the connection we need three variables, basically the username, password and a connection string. Basically the connection string will contain the path of our SQL database. So for that we need three variables, and so what I did is I'm creating three variables. For first one is for user, and the username should be the same as the username is in your database, and same thing for the password. So I'll just copy it down and I'll just name the password variable as pass, and my password is also root, so I'm just initializing it to root. Now the last one would be, say I'm just naming it connection string, and it will contain the path of the database. I'll just commit to it after some time. I'm so sorry, actually I forgot to import something. We have to import java.sql.star. okay, so now what we have to do, first we'll take a connection string, connection variable, say I'm naming it con, and I'll initialize it to null. Now we'll have a try block, and in try block what I'm doing is just type whatever I'm typing, manage a dot get connection, and here you have to pass all the parameters. So yeah, so if you enter the correct password and correct username and the correct path, then after this statement it should get connected. So if it get connected, I'll just print something and say I'm printing voila, you are connected. Yeah, so this is our try block. So but for handling exception we need a catch block. In catch block I'll type SQL exception, say name it E, and I'll just print that exception. Yeah, so we are almost done. As we can see, there are no errors, but we have to specify the path of the SQL database. So for this we have to go to, first we need to connect the database here. So for that, first I have to start my server. I'm using SWAM server. So as you can see that this is green, so our server has started. So come to services, right click on database and click on register MySQL server. So my username is root and my password is also root, so I'll just click it, and you just have to leave all the fields like this and click on OK. Now click on this and right click and click connect. So as you can see, our server has been connected here. Now you can see all the databases inside this. I had created a database called test. I'll right click it and click on connect. My password is root. I'll click OK, and it says that connection has been established. You can see that now this thing jdbc : mysql : this is our path till test. So I have to write it down in the space I left. So it's jdbc : mysql : localhost : 3306 / test. So this is my path. Now everything is fine. I think it should work now. I'll just click on run. So yeah, voila, you are connected. It means that now you are connected to your SQL database. See, suppose I just change the username, so you should not get connected. So see, you are getting some exception message. Same way, if I change the password, so it should not get connected. See, it's not getting connected now. Well, again make it root, it should work. And see, it says voila, you are connected. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.